or hydrate yourself, everybody. Hey, welcome back, RAWBIE'S show, and today I'm working on pork chop. Sorry about the last video. I lost all the footage of me building a kickstand in this box and a bunch of other stuff. So, like I said in the first video, I had a guy jump over the fence and cut a bunch of wires off this bike during the winter when it was stored here. And it kind of screwed it up. I couldn't really ride it because it was just really bad. So I decided I went out and I bought a new system, and it's a Sendwave controller. It comes with a display, many functions with this system. I'm just about ready to hook it up here to see if it works. So you guys can stick around and watch that. Let's get into it. And let's hook this baby up and see if it works. I'm just hoping my wiring is all the same. All right, go grab the battery. I got the battery. So the reason I built this box, but I want to get rid of all this grossness. There, and that closes down. My battery gonna go on top of this, like this. And it kind of makes it look a little neater. Thrift store and bought a couple of old belts that I'm gonna use to just belt it down and make it nice and strong. So let's get into hooking her up and see if she works. So we're just gonna pop this out here. All right, we'll hook this one up. Okay. I got my screen here. Figure that out. There we go. Plug this one in. Okay, plug that in. I'll bring you guys over here. All right, brought you over here. Sorry about this, guy. My phone is really screwed up. Anyways, let's get to her. All right. Okay, here we go. Ooh, Rise Sun motor. There we go. Nice. So I'm in assist one. Assist one. Something wrong with my wheel. Oh. All right, let's try that again. Oh, there's still another one. There we go. Oh, well, that's quiet. Let's go up. Let's go up a couple. Let's go up to 2. Now let's do 3. I'm on 3 now. All right. Woo. Ooh, listen to that. All right, let's go up to 5. We're on assist 5. Oh, fuck. Jesus Christ. Whoa. My God. Wow. That is insane. One more time on 5. Get rid of all this shit that's in the way. 78. That's crazy. I don't know what that means. That's not really how fast this bike is gonna go. So I still gotta get into it and figure out, my parameters of setting this battery up and matching that controller, and then eventually I'm going to get a torque sensing bottom bracket for it. So because I want to eventually make this into a sidecar bike, so I could take my dog, right? So that's it. Let's put her together and ride it. That's what I want to do. Put the wheel back on it, and I know you guys are going, well, hey, what about the derailleur? I'm just having a little bit of a problem getting that mounting position where I want it. So, and here's my dropout here. So the only way I can do this, so it's gonna go just like that, it's very tight, but I just want a few more gears instead of having a single speed. Hey guys, one more time. Oh. Morning, folks. By me is Pork Chop. Let's go take a look at her. Can you see her in there? Oh, yeah, you guys. Well, she's done. I worked late last night putting everything together, getting everything all hooked up. Now we're going to take her off here. We'll go for a spin. I got a doctor's appointment this morning, so I'm going to take Pork Chop. Yeah, so I still haven't done my derailleur yet. I need to figure it out here, but let's walk over to this side here. So I've got my brake all set up, working good. A little tight, I just need to adjust it. But this is what I wanted to do, is I wanted to use these straps, but I couldn't find at the thrift store 2 identical ones. So, and the ones I bought were pleather shit crap stuff. So when I went to go tighten it down here, it broke. This was the only leather one I really actually got. So I just took my hose clamps and just wrapped her in there. I'm not happy about this. It does move, but let's get her off here and fire it up and let's see if she runs. Easy, pork chop. Easy, girl. Easy. Whoa. Well, there she is. My riding position is way better. Before, I was like way out here. Let's fire her up. All right. Woo! Wow. Yeah, burning rubber. Burning rubber. Oh, I can smell the rubber. There you go, folks. I'm going to take a shower. Woo-hoo, powerful. That doesn't mean I'm going to be crazy riding like a madman. I just want that power to move me around going up hills. It's a fairly heavy bike. So get ready. I'll set up my cameras on my bike and we'll go for a ride to my doctor's.